What is up, people? Welcome to a brand new video. Last time we finished our episode here killing my apple pie. It's already dead. I now will finish my coffee and we're already near a hell. So let's go together, let's explore it, and welcome to a brand new vlog or video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel, and please do not disconnect. Let's go together. It is low season until now, so it's totally quiet. Approaching these bunkers, it is written that on spring and on summer it is possible to go inside. I don't know, is it free or you need to pay, is it open or not, but I am already approaching. Nice. It was quite impressive. I will leave the history in the video description, and now it's time to move forward because there are a lot of interesting spots. And so, where are we? Over there is Gdańsk and Gdynia, and this one or that one is abandoned Jurata Torpedo station. I don't know which one, unfortunately it is not possible to get there, but I can raise the drone and fly. I think it'll be really nice. If you need more information about big abandoned torpedo station near Gdynia, check out my latest video. You will find all the information and really nice drone footage. So let's fly once again. You know, it is 1.5 kilometers and very strong wind. And on my way back home, drone started to land about 500 meters to the shore, and it was very difficult to navigate it back. It was only 1 or 2% left, but hopefully it is okay. Good boy, good boy. I have the second battery, need to fly over there. It worked. The second building not so interesting, but unfortunately I have no idea which one is Torpedo station. But everything is perfect. Moving forward. There are massive objects. Because of that I need to take a scooter. No. Hop. Hello. I'm here and we need to go by the sea. So 3 objects here, and later on I'll go left because Cipelhelski is not interesting for me. Already been there, nothing special. So going forward and later on go left. Something destroyed. No people, no fortifications. Piece of shit. Nothing special. Nothing. Dislike. Interesting. Not interesting. So as I understand, these all objects in the end of the hill are not so massive. There are a lot, but nothing special. So already drove and walked through dunes about 5 kilometers, so need to go back and I will decide, because there is still several hours. It'll be sunny, so we need something to do. Margo, mango, margo. For sure, it was worse to come. Oh, shit. It is almost dead. Okay. So need to go up in some way. It is prohibited to go, but Is there stairs? Yes, there is. Okay, I am inside, but it is quite high, and for sure it feels that it's already dying. I would like to go up, but I'm very afraid that it will not hold me. I decided not to go up because it's really very dangerous, and it's quite high. I will die here. Whew. Civilization. I am alive. Look what I found. It is like a hotel, and these are abandoned. But maybe next time. I'm so tired you cannot imagine. 13 kilometers in total. Really, I like the day, so tired. Maybe it's not for everyone, but if you like such abandoned places, you can come. Take a scooter or not, I don't know, because it is long distance, but you can drive for half a distance for sure. So, hope you like what I recorded, and let's move forward. They worked enough. Finally, I'm near the water park, and it's a little bit sad. No, it's truly sad that I didn't climb up to that observation tower, but anyways, you know, it was too dangerous and I was totally alone. Any people, I think, in 5-kilometer radius from that spot. Maybe if we were two, one can hold the stairs and the other one can go up, but shit happens. Now need to eat and go to swim. Let's go. I told you in last video that I will be back. I am back. It'll be not so interesting this time. I took the same soup as last time. And the main is gnocchi, not the pizza. Let's taste. It's fantastic. No words. 30 out of 10. So it is all complex, 30 euros for 3 hours. I took all. You can take only aqua park for 20 euros. We will check. I left the mic, so sound quality I think will be not perfect, but I cannot take the microphone. Oh, it's woman. So what do we have here? First of all, it is very hot inside, and let's explore. Let's test something. Going somewhere, I don't know where. Until now, nothing special. That rotating thing, there must be 3 or 4 people. They're going together. Minimum weight is 150 kilograms, and I have no company, and it is extra cost. Pool area is total shit, but the sauna area is unbelievable. When I went there, it was 8 p.m. and there was a sauna event, hottest event of the day, and they offered me to join. It took 10 minutes. I was sitting on the lowest floor. It was really hardcore, and all saunas really nice. You need to go nude. Because of that I cannot take camera with me, and at 9 p.m. there will be one more event, relaxing sauna, the last one. I think I will go there. So 30 euros is okay for both, because you cannot buy just a sauna zone. You need to buy pool plus sauna, so it's okay. I like it so much. So the last sauna event also was really nice. The sauna woman took the ice, put on the stones, and filled up with the hot water and waved with the towel. It took 16 minutes. After 8 minutes she gave us an ice, and we use it on our bodies. She opened the doors and waved with fresh air, and later on closed the door, also made the same with hot air from the stones. I like it so much. Perfect. First time in my life this experience with the events in sauna, so 10 points. So good morning, people. Look, my dogs are vegans. One vegan and the second one. It was really perfect night. Now it is 10:30. Slept well after all saunas. And now finishing our breakfast and going back home. Please do not disconnect. So good people, almost crossing the border with Lithuania, coming back home. It is sad that I didn't reach Germany, because still I have some points of interest marked on the map at the north of the country, but maybe next time. Anyways, if you like what I'm doing, please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel, and see you very soon in my future videos. Stay tuned, please do not disconnect, and bye bye.